Since the beginning of its 26 years of history, many high-level and scientifically reliable test reports have been obtained, also through independent laboratories worldwide, all of them confirming its efficacy. Let's have a closer look into two of those independent laboratories that have positively tested Supertech. Association that tests, inspects technical systems, facilities and objects of all kinds in order to minimize hazards and prevent damages. This was one of the very first test report obtained. It was year 1997 and our president went personally to discuss the correct protocol to carry out in respect of the characteristics of the product. Through the test done on road by TÜV, it is evidently noticed that increasing the speed, in this case the engine revolutions, the quantity of uncombusted and therefore the results of fuel saving, increase as well. TÜV has demonstrated that at high engine revolutions we have more uncombusted, demonstrating that the higher the engine revolutions are, the bigger will be the result obtained. On the road test done, it is in fact noticed that by increasing the final speed, also the results increase. The result was a fuel consumption reduction of 10.5% obtained at constant speed, on dynamometric roll bench. An important test report by the most important and qualified laboratory of all Latin America, LACTIC, and in particular by M. Laboratory of the Vehicle's Emission. To understand the importance of such tests, it is sufficient to remember that the emissions have been calculated in G/km as prescribed by the normative 93/116 for the homologation of new vehicles. LACTIC is in fact the laboratory in charge of gas emission limits control for new registered vehicles of Renault do Brasil. It is the only one which has the tunnel for the dilution of the gases that are then weighed. The test brought ahead in laboratory has pointed out the following reduction of gases: HC, less 33.43%, CO less 70.82%, CO2 less 2.24%, undeniable results.